In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit background on Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to update your site's background color quickly and confidently with a live preview as you work. Start by heading to your Squarespace editor and look to the left-hand side of the screen. Click Website on the left pane. This opens the main area where you can access your site's editing tools and see changes as they apply across your pages. Next, move your attention to the top right of the editor. Click the paintbrush icon. This icon opens your styling controls, the place where design changes like colors and typography are adjusted. Think of it as your site's visual control room. Inside this design area, you'll see a section labeled Colors. Click on that. The Colors panel organizes your site's palette into a system that controls backgrounds, text, and accents. Instead of changing a single spot color in one section, you're adjusting the style that your site uses repeatedly, which helps everything stay consistent. To edit all backgrounds at once, click the color your background is currently using. Squarespace connects that swatch to backgrounds across your site, so it acts like a master control. As soon as you start changing it, you'll notice the preview updating immediately. That instant feedback confirms you're affecting the right color and lets you judge how it looks in real time without guessing. Now, edit it to what you want. Drag the color picker to explore different hues, tweak saturation for intensity, and adjust brightness to get the exact tone you're after. If you have a brand color in mind, you can enter its hex code to match it precisely. Watch how your text appears on top of the new background. Good contrast keeps your content readable. Subtle shifts often work best. A soft off-white can feel cleaner than pure white, and a deep charcoal can be easier on the eyes than solid black. If your site uses multiple background styles, aim for a palette that keeps sections distinct but harmonious, so headings and buttons still stand out. As you fine-tune, rely on the live preview to guide you. Move through shades until the background feels balanced with your imagery and typography. When the background looks the way you want across your pages, you're done. That's all. You clicked Website on the left pane, opened the paintbrush at the top right, went into Colors, selected the active background color, and adjusted it while watching changes happen instantly. Simple, fast, and effective.